welcome back to Ditya Krishna Vlogs. So today this is my first challenge we will be going to do in my vlog. So this challenge is the 3 marker challenge. I have seen so many people doing this, like not Ryan but Casey and Rachel doing this. So I thought, okay, let's do this. So I got inspired by Casey and Rachel. So thanks to them. Now today we have a guest from my family only, who is my father.
Namaste. Namaste.
Say something.
Hi everyone, how are you?
Okay. So everyone, so we will play this 3 marker challenge today. So we have some papers. We will pick the papers and we will unfold them and see that what should we make. Okay, so these are some. We will have only 5 rounds, and here are the markers. We will be blindfolded and pick 3 colors. Okay, so now we will be doing this challenge. I don't know how will be this, but my mom will be the judge. My mom doesn't know that we are doing this, and we have some books so we can write it. We can color it nicely. So can we start? Okay, so right now, where should I keep this thing? Where should I keep this? 2 minutes. Everyone, 2 minutes. Yeah. So first, we will play rock, paper, scissors. So rock, paper, no, only one hand. This is rock, this is scissors, and this is paper. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Okay, we got the same. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Okay, my father wins. So you can pick. Blindfold. Fold your eyes. No, you got too many. Papers. No. Okay, yes, get 1 paper. Yes. Okay, now see what's written on it.
It's flower.
Show it to everyone.
It's flower, guys.
And you can see there's a little flower, but we can't copy that. That's just a picture. So now let's get the 2 pages. Yeah. 2 minutes, everyone. Okay, so these are the 2 papers. Now here you go and here I go. Okay, so now first my father
So
has.
both of us are going to make this
Yes, flower. Yes.
Okay.
Now you can cover your eyes and pick 3 colors. Okay, take out this and pick 3 colors only. No peeking. No, don't peek. Okay.
Should I open the eyes
Yes.
now? Okay.
You got these colors. I don't know if you can make, but yeah, this is the most important color. Show it to everyone. These are the colors which my father got. Let me just keep it like this so my father doesn't lose them. Yeah. So now it's my turn. Okay, let me pick this. Wait, let me first. Oh, I forgot to mix it. Mix it. Now get 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't know if I can make a flower with this, but I will try. Okay, so now we will start. Okay, let's start making. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Why are you taking all the markers out?
I'm making flowers, right?
Even
Yeah, I'll make the flower. Leave it.
no.
Have to use all, right?
Yes, but you don't have to open all in one time. Oh God. Okay, this challenge is going a disaster. Okay, so now I got yellow. That's this thing. So first I will make the round thingy. I don't know what's that name. Please comment down below and tell me what is that called. Okay. So now I'm done with that. I'll use this color. It's not a nice color, but am done making the flower. Now I need to make the stem. I hope my father is not copying. Because I don't want to see. Okay, now I just need to make the stem. Maybe I'm done. Yeah, this is a nice color for a stem. Okay guys, I am done. Let me show you guys. Wait, I forgot to color everyone. Just give me just 2 minutes. I'll be done. Mummy. Okay. My mother doesn't know what we are doing. We are making a video. You have to be the judge. You have to see our drawing and judge us who's better. Okay, first word to everyone. Please comment down below who's nicer. You can't see the leaf, but my father, okay, he's also written his name Nitin, and he made a lotus, I think.
Yes, it's a lotus flower.
And I made any flower what came to my mind. Now, Mama, see whose drawing is better. Only one. Come
Ira,
over.
Ira.
First, come over here.
Ira drawing is very.
My name is also
beautiful.
Ira. Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Okay, so I'm the winner, so I get
Ira is
1
the winner.
point. Yay! Okay, so now let's keep our drawings right over here. We will show it to everyone in the last, and you will comment down below whose is better. Okay,
Mine is better, guys. Please vote for me.
mine is better. Okay, so now I will be picking the chick. Okay. Okay, I'll choose this. I already got it.
Show it to everyone.
Wait.
Show
okay.
everyone.
Actually, we are already done with flower now. This is
Okay,
flower,
then
I
you have
think.
to.
So
Let's
let's
forget.
just keep it right over here.
Okay.
It's my turn.
Blindfold, please.
Okay. Mountain.
Yes.
Okay, there you go, the paper.
Do we need to use this same?
No. You can keep. And what have you done? These are not the. Oh God. That's why I told you to not open all.
Okay, I don't know.
Now where's this cap?
I don't know. That was not there, I think.
It was there. You open all of them.
Okay, we can choose. We can search it later. Okay.
No, it will dry.
This one.
Oh God, my father, na. Okay, so we have to make a mountain. I hope we have lots of. Okay, we have 2 more papers, so the next round is the last round. Okay, so it's mountain, everyone. Okay, so now we will be drawing a mountain.
Choose.
Okay, now if I already did, so I need to do it. Now mix it again because I already. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got the mountain color. These are nice colors, not bad. Okay, now your turn. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, choose. Oh, see our colors. Okay, now comment down below whose colors is the best. Okay, now let's start making the mountain in 3.
Can
2,
you give me
1,
the
go.
paper?
I already gave you, na?
Okay, I can make it the other side. Not a problem.
Okay. Okay, so guys, let's start. Remember, you have to vote. Okay, I'm making it. Alright, let me just do it this way. Ooh! Just one mountain I'm making, not too many. I'm not an expert at making mountains, but I will try my best. Okay. There are only 2. There's a mountain. I'm done with this. Okay. So now, I don't have white, so let me just do peach. And let me color. just need to make the sun. And Mama, you have to wait. Can you just wait over here? Because we are making a challenge. My first challenge. You are already done. Sure to. What? Okay. That's also.
These are mountain with some trees.
Okay, so I'm also done. Now see our pictures.
Now let's the judge decide.
Mama, come.
Papa is the winner.
Oh.
Papa is the winner.
Yes.
It look like a pet.
I know.
Okay, I'm the winner, guys.
But I have 1 point. You have.
This
1
is the
point.
last round.
Yes. Now we will see who's the final winner. I
Okay.
was thinking for 4 rounds.
Is it
but
I'm
it's
going
okay.
to choose now?
Yes. Last one. Now catch. Wait, I think we're done with mountain. Where is mountain? 2 minutes, everyone.
Okay, let it be. If mountain comes, we'll throw, na?
Okay. We can choose.
So I
It's okay, Mama. We will do one. This is the last round.
Yes.
Okay. Open your eyes.
Guys, this is my favorite food, which is cake.
Okay. So we will be making cake. Here are our papers. Now we have to pick the colors. Let me just keep my colors
Okay.
back. You kept your colors back, na?
Yes.
But first of all, in my picture, in my father's picture, what is that thing? Is it a spider? I'm not even getting
No,
it.
it's the sun.
Sun?
Yeah, this is sun. This is
Wait,
sun.
you
yeah.
had 3 colors now?
This is sun.
You had 3 colors now?
Yes. I just used two.
No, then this is not. You have to use all the colors.
No, it's
No.
my choice. Sorry.
No, it's not your
Okay.
turn. Okay, so now we have to make a cake.
Choose three.
No, again. Okay?
No, you are peeking.
Okay, fine. Ooh, these are nice colors.
Okay.
I got the USA colors and the pink color.
USA color? Which is USA color? What is? Is our USA color called?
Yes.
Oh,
On
I
the flag there is red and blue both.
Okay.
Okay, so your turn.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Yes, I'm good.
Okay.
Let's start.
But mine is better. Okay, let's start it. 3, 2, 1, go. And everyone don't think that I am the only, my mother is the only person the judge. You guys are also the judge. Okay, please comment down below who's the best one. Okay, so now I need to make a cake. So the cake batter will be maybe red. This is actually orange, not red. So this is not USA colors, but you can see a little. Okay, I'm not going to see. I don't even know what is my color making. But yeah. Now. Okay. I'm gonna use this orange color. Making the cake. Okay. Not an expert. Oh god, I'm just coloring anything. Wait, you will see, okay? Okay, so then we make candles on it. 1. Mummy, don't see right now. Don't see. Just we have to show it to the judge.
Guys, I'm done.
I am also done, everyone, with
I am the
my.
winner.